Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an API key on the OpenAI platform, an essential step if you want to use ChatGPT or integrate AI into your website, applications, or automation tools like N8N. First, go to the official OpenAI website. I've included the link in the description below. Next, click on Login. Then select API Platform to access the API dashboard. Then, from the left-hand menu, click on API Keys. Next, to create an API key, click on Create New Secret Key. When a new window appears, give your API key a name that's easy to remember for easier management later on. Next, in the Project section, you can create a new project if you want. However, to keep things simple, just select Default. Next, in the Permissions section, you can choose Restricted. This option allows you to fine-tune what your API key can access, giving you better control and improved security when using it. You can also choose Read Only, however. With this option, the API key will only have read access and won't be able to perform other actions, which may be limiting in certain use cases. In this example, I'll choose All to grant full access, then click Create Secret Key to generate the API key. Right after that, the system will generate a string of characters. This is your API key, which is used to authenticate your requests to OpenAI. Make sure to store it securely, and never share this key with anyone to avoid potential security risks. And don't forget to save your API key right away because you won't be able to view it again later. Once created, you'll see your new API key appear in the list, making it easy to manage and use. You can also edit the name or permissions of your API key later on. However, you won't be able to view the key value again, so make sure to save it right after creating it. Or, if you no longer need it, you can delete the API key to keep your account secure and avoid any potential risks. After creating and using your API key, you can track your usage in the Usage tab. Here, you can view your requests, costs, and monitor your API usage more effectively. And for better control, you can also set a budget to limit your usage costs and avoid unexpected charges. Here, enter your desired monthly budget limit. This helps you control your spending and reduces risks in case your API key is accidentally exposed. And that's how you create an API key on the OpenAI platform. I hope this video was helpful for you in getting started with AI. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.